We know SEO can help you find businesses online. Here are 10 ways to help improve your SEO ranking. Tip number 1, include engaging content. To generate more traffic, it is better for marketers to produce engaging content. About 96% of marketers measure engagement when producing content, based on research conducted by Skyward.com. Tip number 2, include keywords. Google crawls your website identifying keywords online. The more relevant the keywords, the better your search page results will be. Tip number 3, add site links below your home navigation link. Site links are those links you see below your home navigation. These links provide your customers with an incentive to click on your website to find exactly what they're looking for. Number 4, acquire inbound links. Inbound links are links that come from different external sources. For example, if Johnny's Pizza Shop receives a referral from a local publisher, Johnny's Pizza Shop will be ranked higher by Google. Coming up on tip number 5, we have improve your Google reviews. Google takes your reputation into consideration. Below we've included sources to help maximize your review score. Number 6, make sure all links and video clips are active and working. Yes, this tip sounds like a no-brainer. However, sometimes videos are stripped down and pages are removed. The last thing we want is to cause frustration. Number 7, have a responsive website. Responsiveness makes your website look good on any device, no matter the size. A poor responsiveness can increase your bounce rate, having a negative effect on your ranking. Moving on to tip number 8, we have make your site user-friendly and easy to navigate. Having easy navigation improves your customer experience, which can boost the quality of your site. Number 9, include high-quality branding to your website. Look at some of your favorite brands. In comparison, how would you rank your website? And what changes would you make to make your site better? Finishing off with number 10, we have add a secure hosting network. Google takes higher priority over sites that have an SSL certificate. These certificates prevent people from hacking your site and protects your users' data from being stolen. For more tips on SEO or digital marketing, visit webgeeks.com. Feel free to leave a like or drop a comment down below. Thanks for listening and subscribe for more videos like this in the future.